For under 300 bucks, bro, what more do you want out of Bear Creek Arsenal? Fluted threaded barrel, slide cuts, optic cut, full Picatinny rail, stippled already. Flare, you got a little flare in the mag well over here, so that's pretty dope. And it don't come with the plastic Glock sights. Let's talk about presentation. This is I like this. I like how this came. Pretty sure this is just simple instructions. So we got a lock, we got the stickers, and the gun. The gun came in here, but I took it out, as you can see. For under $300, bro, you cannot beat that, bro. Now, presentation, I would give it a 7.9. It was simple, but it was good. It was packaged well. It came with 2 mags. You know, all the basic stuff, but the package is decent, bro. I like it. But let's get more into this gun now. This is my Glock 19X mag. So, you know, the 19X got the 17 frame. So, this is a Glock 17 mag, whatever, you know. Now, I done threw my TLR1HL on there. I also threw my Gideon Omega on there. But now, this is giving me like I say, Springfield Echelon vibes. This is giving me Springfield Echelon vibes. Now, the grip on this thing, the grip texture, decent. Grip texture, decent. Now, they put this little, this is like a pedal. I like that. Y'all see that? I like that. Now, as y'all know, all guns come with flaws. Only see 2. Only see 2, and I'm going to give y'all those first. Now, the first thing is this empty space right here. I feel like they could have did something with that. I feel like they could have just not put this right here and just engraved that up there. It'll look so much better. Now that they didn't do that, it make it look like it's a knockoff or something. But yeah, that's just one. The second one is this threaded barrel. Now, on my FN 509, they put a little gasket in here so it'll always have like pressure on it, so you can't just take it off as easily, or while you firing the gun it won't, you know, come undone. But this one, nothing. So I can tighten this up as hard as I want. I can still just twist it off. That's them the 2 things that I don't like. So, but yeah, those are 2 flaws that, well, not flaws, those are 2 things that I don't like about this gun. Other than that, everything else is pretty decent. Fluted threaded barrel. You got a little flare in the mag well over here, so that's pretty dope. Now, it came with 2 KCI mags. These fit pretty good. Bam. You know, so I can also throw my 19X mags in, like I said earlier. Those fit just like the KCI mags, but I would rather have this in there. Yeah, no. But yeah, for under 300 bucks, bro, what more do you want out of Bear Creek Arsenal? And the trigger is just a normal trigger. Bam. But I feel like the reset is pretty dope. Bam. Bam. You like throw your finger forward a little bit. Yeah. I wonder if I could throw a G-flex in there. Y'all think I could throw a G-flex in there? Let me see. Hey. 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 We might throw a G-flex in there. First couple shots, we might throw a G-flex in there, y'all. Like the video if I should throw a G-flex in there. I don't know if it'll work or not, but we'll try it. If you don't want it, you think it's bull crap, it's under 300 bucks, bro. It's under 300 bucks. Just try it out. I promise you. Now, Bear Creek, if you're seeing this, we got to do something about this space in here, man. You could have put BCA Grizzly, 101 Grizzly, something. You could have put something in there. Now we're gonna get the first couple shots in, I believe, like next week. I don't know when this video gonna drop, but that's a bad mama jamma. Now let me get the let me get my echelon out so I can show y'all how that's looking. Cause I'm telling y'all, it's giving me echelon vibes, bro. That thing is really giving me echelon vibes. You can't tell me this not giving you echelon vibes. Yes or no? Like the video if this is giving you echelon vibes. That's pretty dope. Now, this was just a simple unboxing. Now, I know I've been gone from long form content for a little minute, bro. Because I was shadow banned for a little while. I had to, you know, reread the community guidelines. And I just been busy. Well, I ain't been busy. I just been focused. I've been focused on other things other than YouTube. YouTube is not that important to me, but I do mess with y'all. That's why I'm still here. Y'all the only reason that I'm still here. I mess with y'all, bro. So, like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, say what's up to your boy, man. We out.